Oh, Ghana 44. Musum for Masaba Bio Solomon Owusu from Denver, Colorado, United States. And I made me flag by MPP flag. And maybe I could be a MPP no, a Jimmy Mujem. And MPP no, Sabi, yes, and net any year joining. We started joining from 1993. And now what can baby may his soul rest in peace. A big one. The time and I'm joining MPP 1993. Start up number JSS3 and Sana may come what was a tech new way 96 before first time. We were the leaders. We were the seniors in the world sector. We were the leaders. And Sana from there. UMAT. Yeah, first UMAT and so nature cry Nico UMAT. I also am a TESCON executive. The current national youth organizer, Nana B. Mumbisa no so Nimiana. Nana B was my junior at School of Mines. Time my age, Jinem MPP no. Nana B, Omona Sebi, Omo, Enya, Infant Jina Omenisu to say the Naomo Yen. Ask him, Obekachero, Obio name be an MPP no. From Tetina, MPP no. And no, and as some of us here did. Or was he say, if ye, near friend no. MPP 4 years because my MPP no. Those times no, Omo and Anna Ejinem. It is some of us here, Kasa, and I see a third party no. We love the party. Abrocha Bibaye. When we were in opposition, I was the California Deputy Secretary. The current Deputy Educational Minister, Dr. Yaweduchun, was the Vice Chairman of California chapter of United States. And I was the Deputy Secretary. We were 5 executives, and I was one of them. Enti party no nye ne na yebedi echire, yedi echirache. Enti e kasa, we know what we are talking about. And no man e koso sisia no as far as mining, illegal mining is concerned. And yet, Mammy and Fanny MPP and this asem is about the nation. And Sana become MPP, me ID card shem bottom, me okas bibre ID card no ekaho. Enti, Mama no me then say last Friday, me bogumbe. Miano text messages ni phone calls are menyano. Yeah, I'm say boom no. You see, my man say me slow down because people are calling the new MP4 ministers. Me no be a minimum. Me now for from different countries. Ghana, nya there. Solo nya abutrema Mati. And then me bogumbe. And then no me kon slow. Me kon slow. Nti. Charlie, a chinchina mama hunioma. Some of us we've traveled to different places. As far as mining is concerned, small scale mining is an American. In Ghana, even Canada, Miss no maybe recently. Canada, small scale mining, but ye you are. Oko South America, bebre African countries, bebre Africa na ye. But also Ghana, ye dikan ya de ni ye ma others isuaye. Acquire business, acquire connection. Charles Bison Professor from Pump watching. The only bottom pockets. That's what they think about. Not the nation, not the people. Nankeye den na China for yemra pon etumi say. No foreigner should engage in small-scale mining in Ghana. But the foreigners can come for large-scale, where they will bring money to invest in the nation. That is the law. But for small-scale mining, no foreigner should engage in small-scale mining in Ghana. That's the law. I feel that China for na aje manafa. Ama yemianum tifi. I mean, it's not fair. Some of us ye kaya na ebufu ahye mu ane ye keke bi kira mu rough no. But then no, membo gumbe, me kon slow. Mommy and MPP and DC and Tunchen when it comes to issues of national concern. Mummy yi sa no man to nchen. Near me or mine. Last week, we your friend is saying, China for. China for no. Do call Accra. Do call Accra no. Some of us, any other people, any brain, and my Kasemu. Accra no, you don't go interministerial committee office, ad hoc committee office. I want you to go. Accra police station will be quiet. Police station will Boise, police station will Ashanti region in general. Yan for man call. CID headquarters or Ashanti region. You know, you don't go Accra straight. Now the air meeting say Ghana for na China for na employ more muye dumano. Omo de don't go Boise police station. Boise police station headquarters. They don't go here. Oma koda cells. Na China for ne don't koda interministerial. That's also a momo bottle water. Oh God, Uncle Jesus Christ. Hey, Ghana for. Yama criminals no yama su papa amom baby men from apa. Ni enye nuanom no ye do makɔ cells. E man tonton ne so nkonsuo ɛre wo mu. Aya mu mi nsi abi o. Charles Bisu no was a friend from what and they say membo mugumbe but make am asem. Omo wa he because many national security guys be ekasai an investigation be am journalists be am contact omo bisa Charles Bisu kan actually ebinum say the view ne say e was say do omo ko China send e be ya interference in them. Hey, interference one. Form na China. How can we get to the bottom of the matter? Some can you send almost smuggle mako. Yes, I send me so. Yeah, ma same way try in China. Man penny for China for the chin. Muyon be. Anya Regrano. It himself up 2 servicemen. Ewo site war protect China for Sanko for more. And some 2 servicemen were trying to prevent the task force from arresting them. Yinimina, Yatinina, South 2 servicemen or more efa. Monfo Munian P. Yakem. That's a nobody in 31. Ghana for a woman, Yakem. China for a woman, and this servicemen are amen on protect your monform. I feel the moon. Such as we see no problem watching me by Ghana. Make way for the assessment to understand the real problem and more preventing the team from going, as a treaty away for Operation Vanguard, set site near dangerous. Ain't no money say be more year duma, or more it's you and then second war. And some catch them say site near dangerous nana. Some DSC in some other make and make at the crack. And before someone just and I'm a good party anymore. And your party na make anymore. Individuals, the corrupt, greedy, selfish individuals in the party. I'm against those people, but not the party. Please, for moving I'm against the greedy bastards in the party, but not the party itself. I respect the president. I respect him. I met him twice. Dr. Baumia, I met him twice. But that time they were in opposition, not now. And you can understand, say, name some of the greedy appointees, Omunama Jinsen. Bumia no may. The Stram Ashan one away. Galam say Queen, Queen, Ashan one. Yet Chino last year. Yajano, yes, Yamani Bill. Yes, I chini bill, yes, Jano. Last week, I say, was also yet. Now we are Manama, Minute tuning, sure was same Ghana. Near Bissell Senti and penny forward, drink at the Bimutinimu. On Busuji Sama, Minnesota. Met me up for China. Yes, I am ransom. China won't mean call, foreign out to me call China, and yes, I am man. Intending no say Allah woman, or because of Bessia ya bow China Biblibeno, and whom for so near you. Bessia Biblibeno, and whom for so no. Metia see a $50 billion. Emma, Oma Bonnet Ghana, 100 years. Are you guys trying to take us back to slavery? Moheni na no me peta maka no ho asem enye sisi amponi o e na China for say yunsu na esase a ye che o ma na ye ja o ma e be kakra Ghana for take it from me. Said Chinese can shoot a Ghanaian, kill a Ghanaian, and you go scot-free because we are slaves for them in our own country. We are slaves for them in our own country. Go to Rwanda. Rwanda, they have only coffee and tea. Coffee and tea, but see how nice, how clean Rwanda is. Go to Kigali and see. Masa, go Kigali, go Ethiopia. Ethiopia, they are no more. And so, the country is free. The country is neat. Ghana, we have gold, we have bauxite, we have manganese, we have diamond. Now we even have lithium, we have oil and gas. God has blessed the country. Above all, we have fertile land. Go to South Africa. I went to South Africa 2010, during 2010 World Cup. I was in South Africa. Their land is not fertile. They have to add fertilizer before they can grow food. We have fertile land. When you are flying in Ghana, you can see green, fertile land. Yet we import tomatoes from Burkina Faso and contomere from Cote d'Ivoire. Meanwhile, we have Minister of Agric in the country. Ghana, ye fin puto. We have Sanitation Minister and Minister of Science and Technology and Environment, or Professor Fimpo Boateng, or Esoshe, or my Ghana. And yeah, some of us know do maybe an able boom. Mesre, Miniano, Sabre, Medigan and San Betun Chenama focus on the Galamsi, Ghana and Sam de Chileba. I shall one, Monfanembra, near the prosecution. Mate, say, Galamsi, small scale mining, I mean to be specific, small scale mining, you have left man for small scale miners to go back and work. Which is a good news. I'm saying, could you upon Kroma can and ra? A year Sunday, December 9th, in Takrady during the policy summit. The Minister of Information said it, which is very good. It's a good news for the licensed small scale miners, and that's what we are all fighting for. Now that we are not able to crack down the illegal miners, especially the Chinese guys, are they also going to work? Are they also going to work now? Ghana sem because all Ghana one, but you twin Ghana because we love the country. Look, your investments or your Daniel dear or your Busian for your now for into twin Ghana hooking. That's why any of our butch and your dear machine. That could be a me America. I don't know, say come in America when I come calling Ghana. But if any fee, and yet then ya beko yinchi, and Munti na ya na yansu yedi amutum near cabin. CCA Mate, dear Metin say, a nipa 3,000 norm could train no more University of Mines and Technology, you Martin, Sanko 4 number Yeduma. Sanko 4 him say a moon miner, if as a miner say womb, and yet about 800 Charles Bison Cotton Asempa FM account. Last Wednesday, Okokai, I was Sempa FM. Or my Hene Kwabena Sante, and Obi, and an interview. Or can say 3,000 licensed miners who me about 800. Now, or more a list of about 1,250 miners, meaning say a move about 450 or more any training needed. Messi call Ghana for work a cram here and HSA, or a licensed miner, but our concession were different regions. Our employee per 100, 200, 300, near the only mamma. Woman, woman call for Nano, Nipa 450 or more continent fee. Because yen training woman. Training Nipa 3,000, we 800 free man 2002. Yen bisa sesa Nipa 2002 no. A handful. Charles Bisu say a yoma or me galamsey legal miners. They want to bring them to the mainstream, train them. Now so more license. One training one more money license you train on. This is a simple common sense. Ghana for enemy do be at them. Enemy Bogumbe. This is a simple common sense. If you have not finished training the licensed legal miners, do you train the illegal miners? Please. Some of you in summer you can't mountain ebinio. And you say no, I will could be no or continue. And no, Metuja, Ghana for Friday. We will talk more about that. The battery buying. Mr. Ramu, Omo training omo MPP party for na mo training omo no. Omo nye bo ono onye license mine ono onye galamsey ni omo training omo. A typical example is Juliet Quartin. Juliet Quartin is the current Deputy Finance Minister, Koku Quartin, his sister, Juliet Quartin. They went to train her at University of Mines and Technology. And the woman was bold to come up. She was interviewed on Shaft FM of Wase. Emma can pain say, not buying a horse in Jones for training. Sa nipa we are training. No be a waji license ne a buying work contract. I'm not banning and say, mobile sanitizing way no, na mu you man. On the OTF, please, Mama Yanya Feka crowd. I believe in transparency. I believe in accountability. I believe in justice. Whether MPP or NDC, Mama Yanya justice and Yejuma, so that we will all be happy. You can't treat people like that. CCA, Juliet Quartin, or Papa Yejuma, a man 40 Well, Friday, I'll hold on. After Friday, we'll talk more about that one. Send them MPP also. More the MPP for alcohol. Send this 2 million dinkas. So send this for Subanom's Casse. Ya stop on MPP phone now. And this is from back. And then Bakasa. No, my I said, back and forth. Back and forth. Let's use our gumptions. Please. Professor Frimpong watching Charles this. We say, let me do my term. But as some now make no Monfa enquadrin. Now, Charles Bisu Kotna Asempa or say government president who said the institutions are weak, interministerial, so I'm best strength. Now, a problem na best strength institutions are what Charles Bisu. What Charles Bisu. Also a lawyer. Law school ban wako. Law school ban wako also a lawyer. Law school ban wako. What information I may what Charles Bisu no one say. Ukuta LLB for who will go Ghana. After LLB no, you travel to UK. Oko ball eduma ibi kakra oho. Oba Ghana say komokola apoye law. You wrote the law entrance exams twice and you failed. Charles Bisu, I have your information. Ghana ni bia obedi mi chim no Monko Law School, his records are there. He failed twice when to me Monko Law School no. Meanwhile, Nanabi national friends saying youth organizer for MPP. Nanabi mu na enye no omako entrance no akoye law school, omako law school, omawia is here. Nanabi ya lawyer. Nanabi a ni tiewu na Nanabi is some junior no school of mine. Nanabi knows me very well. Mesu me no. Nanabi mu na akoye lawyer wie dia. Now we went to me and now. One will be just and say, Ediama Ghana for Minerals Commission. You have 5 brains in Minerals Commission. Just that, me nim the internal for appointing what Charles Bisu say, we are secretary one, and now you couldn't time what in Nam Ghana. Would you know him? I didn't know him. A global band wired that, just say, party have a power in here, would have put also in Tamisra, Macono, a Kuntan, or a separate casting, no, a Kuntan, Nasuda for guiding. A poo or Bomudam. Benano, Mimbo Gumbi. So let's continue. Or say the president tasked them to sanitize the system, regularize the system, and come up with reforms. The Pacho, and yet China for that I'm doing. And yet Ghana for Galamsey for being able to trace Kamamwa, Mamma, Paimon, Yeduma, and Masuja for say, KM Fanko Clan put on legal mining. The soldiers are rather protecting them. And we are sanitization of the system. No. Sanitization of the system. No. Jesus Christ. Charles Bisu, Professor Frimpong Watching. Ministry. EPA. Charles Bisu said, Minerals Commission, EPA, Water Resources, and Forestry. Mumbisa said, have they able to strengthen those places? Minerals Commission, I have information said they were not adequately resourced to execute their duties. As at now, the various Minerals Commission officers in the various districts, car crom de coffee the crack inspection omo ni bi enti no strength in ben my for example people watching so only my dear friend is strengthener who ministry science and technology oba unyehu EPA is under your first ministry, forestry is under your ministry. And then why you? And everybody know you. Obaye, a ministry of environment. Gas stations are blasty Ghana last year, this year. Then why Sheben why? And Sheben why? Galamsey no na wajia tu na bribe kese corruption. Oh Jesus Christ. And then make us a baby. Child bisu. For law certificate bra. Na manfo nyina Ghana fo nyam se oye lawyer. Usori a concern Professor Poprin for what mo di concern men MP scrum what the various mining areas no omo kona na ho so omo kasa then na refer omo to Professor Poprin what se drobi na papa ndi aye no se wakoma no moto bi edi o odwen ho awon chiase ene Professor Frimpong what you so powerful than even the lands and natural resource minister okono ho a ye so be direct o Professor Frimpong matie free MP 3 na afreme abomi amane se omu percent omu hwem hihye no nhye ko pese omu contribute mpo because no ma bi nkoyi look insuo no enintie ensuo enintie mo pa mo nko ofi brim ankobra pra mo nko na mo nko twa picture hwe se insuo na ni atia enti interministerial ne 2 years na mo waste time no e dey na mo aye ye came after Friday we will talk more about it. Yes, I know much bia so odibo. Musomfo munua. Solomon osu and also makam hu biu. And then mambo gumbe. Mambo gumbe. After Friday kono. Ye beso jaguoma pampem dread. Ye beso jaguoma pampem. So amuso mo nya the right na and then child bisu na chicha concession. Child bisu na yesi. Abraham Minerals Commission wo. An institution that has been instituted by law for such responsibilities. Consenti any no mode anane na kufu adu asisi a emse wada na mo nam le so mo hweye nyesa de beba mo so no eso. By the way, still I train 16 Chinese illegal miners no ye be prosecute omo ni ajeli omo no makoda ntontom ni nso nkonso nim amomo free mu fia omo be advice omo nuanom say Ghana de okona okose omo nsuo no omo nsase a wanhwe ya okọ omo prisoner onsanso mbabio. That's what we need. We are waiting for you. Beda mu nyina ase Ghana for dasene nyame de yen kwacha ya mo besa so atienka na galamsey ni small scale mining nsem die ye ni die chiri ye wa America ha but die kosu bia na yeti ye ni die chiri Madam nyina ase na mabotre ene akoma pa mo de ahwe video yi na menka mu nyina mo bye bye. Thank you.